There are many products available to choose food storage containers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best food storage containers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Snapware Total Solution Plastic Food Storage. These locking lid containers from Snapware are stackable to help keep your refrigerator organized and are hard to beat with a price under $15. We were impressed by how well they performed during our shake test, only losing a small amount of water. They also held up during our microwave test, but we noticed stains after reheating pasta sauce, which is common with plastic containers. In our previous testing, we also tried Snapware's Total Solution Glass line. If you're looking for containers to freeze food for a longer period, you may want to opt for those as they're less prone to staining. Just keep in mind that the locking lids are still plastic, so they may stain over time. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 8-piece Pop Container Baking Set. OXO's well-known pop containers can be closed with one hand. Simply press the button down to form a tight seal, then press again to open. Some come with accessories like half-cup scoops that attach to the underside of the lid, so you always have a dedicated tool on hand for measuring dry goods. This baking set includes containers designed to hold 5-pound bags of flour and sugar, as well as a 1-pound box of brown sugar. The brown sugar container comes with a terracotta brown sugar saver that will help prevent the sugar from hardening. The clear containers stack neatly and securely, allowing you to save space and easily keep track of necessary refills. Number 3. Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers. Rubbermaid's Brilliance line makes our list again with its glass container set. This set has also earned a Kitchen Gear award, and several of our editors have both the plastic set that's our best overall pick and this one, because it resists staining and is oven-safe up to 450 Fr. Like the plastic version, this set is transparent and stackable, and the straight sides minimize the space required in your cabinet, fridge, and freezer. This set also features universal lids, meaning they all fit every size, no matter how deep it is. One caveat is that the glass itself is somewhat heavy on its own, so we did notice the heft when the container was full. Number 4. Pyrex 22-piece Food Storage Container Set. Pyrex's set stands out for the versatility of its shapes and sizes. The containers nest, and the lids are slim for easy storage. The freezer and microwave safe tempered glass containers can be used in the oven, which makes them great for reheating leftovers. Just be sure the oven is fully preheated and let the container come to room temperature first to avoid thermal shock, per the brand. In our dishwasher test, we ran each 4-cup round container and 3-cup rectangular container through the dishwasher 5 times. While the glass was unscathed, we found that the lids can become slightly deformed after multiple cycles, which may lead to leaking if storing liquids. Number 5. Zoku Neat Stack Food Storage Containers. We love that the Neat Stack lunch containers are not only some of the more affordable storage containers out there, but that they can be stored in your cabinets without taking up too much space. The nesting set includes 5 containers in various sizes to hold anything from 1-2 cups of fruit to whole meals, and comes with a freezer pack that can sit atop or snap under the large lids to help keep your lunch cold when traveling. Each size container is color-coded and has engraved cup markings, including 5-cup, 3-cup, and 1-2-cup versions. Great for portioning during meal prep. Several containers share the same lid size, so there's less fumbling for the right match. We did notice staining during our freezer to microwave test, so keep that in mind when heating pigment-rich foods. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.